let's see how we go with the back window. It's not too bad. Well, it does worry me taking these back ones off just because of the demisters and that. You don't want to wreck them, so hopefully it comes off in one piece. Let's see. Too bad so far. Well, we're over halfway now. It hasn't come off. I think we're going to do it. Oh, no. Did it. Okay, I got that off, but there must be another layer of window tint on here. Because that came off really easy. Oh my god, I think it's been double tinted. What the hell? What's going on? So yeah, there's definitely like a second film on there. I don't know if that's just like the actual tints just like separated from the plastic or what the hell. But now it wasn't easy, I thought. I don't know how I'm going to get that stuff off. A steamer, I guess. I might just leave that for now. I'll get on to the these side windows. Hopefully they're a bit easier, but we'll see. And that's how it's done. One piece. So these rear quarter ones are definitely coming off the easiest out of them all. I wish they all came off this easy. I'm having trouble with the other ones. The back window and the... Oh no, all the other ones. Oh, my stuff's up there. Give me a minute. So yeah, spoke too soon. So I'm going to take this trim piece off, just to help me sort of get in the side there. I just noticed this one's slightly cracked, that's annoying. But yeah, take that off, see if that helps. Done. Well, almost. Didn't come off quite as cleanly as the other one. Just still a little bit of stuff here. But that's not too bad. That's my second mess window so far. Keep going. This is so much fun. Motherfucker. So yeah, this is where I'm currently at. Anyway, on another note, I want to clean up the engine bay. I've been meaning to do it for ages, but I mean, I've done bits and pieces here and there. I've painted that looks all good. I painted that black and that looks good too, but there's a lot of nuts and bolts in here that I think are meant to be zinc coated. But can anyone tell me like which parts are meant to be zinc coated? Like are they all these bolts and nuts down here, are they all meant to be zinc coated, or is it just a few? Like I'm pretty sure these are meant to be zinc coated. Some I think are painted black, like on the, are they painted black, or is that just raw and it's just a bit rusty? Yeah, if you leave a comment below and tell me what the hell's actually meant to be zinc coated and what's not. I don't know, I kind of want to keep it original, or do I just go over, zinc coat everything, just go nuts? Because you can, yeah, because from what I heard, you can get a whole bucket of stuff zinc coated, that yellow or goldy zinc coating, and you can get it done for like, I think it's $100 for like a whole bucket full. So you've got to do some, you may as well do everything. It's not going to cost you much more than just doing a few pieces, so you may as well do it all. So yeah, do I go nuts and just do all these parts? I think these bits, you can get these little clamps and stuff. You can get them zinc coated ones, or you can get the silver ones. Don't know if I get to go nuts, or bits like this. Do I? That looks just clean and sort of hidden, just black, or do I go nuts and go zinc coating everything? Yeah. Anyway, not too sure. Probably these. That look kind of cool, but I don't want it to look. I kind of want it to look factory. Also these parts. I think on the EABEDs, I think these are like zinc coated. I'll put a picture up here of a guy who's done it. These parts as well. So I think that's how they've come. So, but on mine, they're painted black. That's sort of just raw steel color. But yeah, that's definitely black. I polish this up just to see if I just want it like polished, or like would look silver would be better, or the yellow, the zinc coating. But yeah, it suits the ebgts. The guy, I'll show another picture of this guy's car. That's a very cool car. His name's Ash. He's done everything. He's done the engine bay. He's done all underneath the diff, all nuts and bolts. He's encoded everything. I reckon it looks sick. But yeah, if I do it, I'm thinking about just going to the wreckers and getting all the parts, all the nuts and bolts. Then I can send them away, get them zinc coated, and then the car's not out of action for or if they lose, they always like lose bits and pieces here and there, the metal coating guys. So then there's no risk, and then I don't have to remember which part goes where. I'll literally get the brand new zinc coated one and find which one it is, and then change it. I can just do it one at a time, take my time. The other thing I'm going to do is get a new cat. This one's, I don't know if it's actually got a hole in it, but there's a Viper one you can get online for. Well, I've been waiting for it to be on special, and it's on special now, so I might get one of them. It's only like $165 including delivery, so I'll get one of them. But I don't know, interested in seeing a video of me just like gutting that one, and just to see how it sounds like, just for a bit of fun. Either that, or can I actually get any money for an old cat, like an old 28-year-old cat? People say they're worth money, but I don't know, the stock ones are only worth like, what, $200 anyway, brand new. So are they really worth as much as what people say? I don't know. Maybe it's the newer ones these days. People are in America, they're getting their cats stolen and stuff. So anyway, let me know. I should have followed my own advice and soaped up the window with some warm soapy water, put some plastic rubbish bags on there, and then left out in the sun. Unfortunately, it's the middle of winter and there's not much sun or warmth, so I'll have to wait till a warmer day, and I'll do that, and then it'll come off a lot easier. But yeah, I thought I'd just get this video out. So if you're thinking about taking the tint off your window, just be careful. Do the right thing. The steamer I was using didn't really work. I probably need a heat gun. The hairdryer kind of helps a little bit, and a razor blade, but oh look, I thought I'd just share this video right now. I'll do the full video once I've finished it, and how I've done it, but just so you know, before you start taking off your tint, yeah, just be careful. So anyway, there you go.